coming into my last question, so Amravi, according to you, what are the three best resources? If somebody comes to you and say that, okay, can you tell me the three resources to learn? So what are those three free resources you can provide? Of course, I'm gonna put down these three resources on the comment section as well as on LinkedIn profile as well. But what are those three resources you can tell somebody who wanted to start their career?
First is Kaggle.
Tackle, okay.
Go over there, get a data set and practice, practice, practice. That is the only way forward. Secondly, as I said, right, read blogs, understand what your peers are doing, what the researchers are looking at, where the domain is headed towards. So try to read those blogs. Maybe initially you don't understand what is going on.
Right.
Sooner or later it'll start making sense. Like, okay, people are interested in this domain. That it will give you an overall holistic idea as to how the domain functions.
Mm-hmm.
The third one is like, if you're not a blog reading person, right? There are tons of podcasts available, and there's tons.
This is gonna be one podcast, I would say. how to get your first job with Amravi Shah.
There are tons of podcasts on Spotify also. Like you listen to them when you're traveling, and that is also a good way. So just practice and you'll make it through.